Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we were able to close an issue by validating that the bug does not exist. So we were able to solve issue 443. So sorry, 445. And we pretty much just copied this code, put it into a separate repository, tested it out, and it works fine with the same Python version 3.8. So yeah, looks fine. And the second one was fixing a quick typo in one of the documentations. So yeah, this one. So this was merged, and yeah, it's not much, frankly, but it's honest work. So now we are creating a boilerplate using Flask, Strawberry, Pydantic, and PyMongo. So this way, this gives our users a quick boilerplate to set up their projects. So previously we were wondering how do we register a enum and instead of having to decorate the farmer row like this. So one way to do that is by registering like this. By calling the strawberry type class function here with farmer row. This gives us the added benefit of keeping farmer row a service level class and only recognize it as a GraphQL model here. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was how we fixed this. Now let's do python 3 main.py. Let's call the get sample farmer endpoint. Let's run this again. Get sample farmer. Okay, so get sample farmer, and we have a name, an age. Okay, age I guess is an integer. It shouldn't be a string. And we have a row here. Okay, so let's fix this query here, specify 25. And let's try spinning up this server again and see if we can get strawberry farmers here. Yep, we got it. So now that we have the sample farmer here, I don't think we need this hello anymore. But or perhaps it's useful to just show that we can return primitives. We can return primitives like return default types like strings. Okay, so I think it's even better that we create a strawberry farmer here. And this would be a strawberry farmer like this. And we can GraphQL strawberry farmer use the this, and we'll return this, and there we go. It's just like this. So this is a pretty good example of how we can convert the strawberry farmer into a GraphQL strawberry farmer. So pretty good stuff. Let's call this up again. Let's call this. Let's screenshot this. getting a custom GraphQL output type server type. So let's do this same thing, and let's copy this, paste it here. Okay, input GraphQL output. Let's screenshot this. Okay, and we do this. Query to sample farmer pictures, query sample farmer. Here we are. Okay, now we will add in this, add a pydantic query example. Okay, there we are. So that's it for push to origin master. Now let's continue with this. Let's create. Yeah, let's try creating. Now that we are able to integrate Strawberry with pydantic, pydantic Mongo. Okay. Yep. The next question from the user is probably, how do we convert now that we know how to convert a Strawberry type to a pydantic type, how do we convert? Oh, sorry, we did pydantic type to Strawberry types. Now you're probably asking, how do we convert a Strawberry type to pydantic type? But I think that's probably it's probably good if we come up with a PyMongo mutation endpoint that allows users to save Mongo stuff. Sounds good. So let's go to the PyMongo. Let's spin up a local instance. Okay, now let's create a simple settings.py. Okay, let's call this Mongo URL. Import OS. String goes to os.getEnv. Mongo URL. Okay, now that we have the Mongo URL, let's add this in as part of the settings. Add instructions on spinning up the local Mongo instance. We'll be using, let's call this farmers, strawberry farmers. Connects to local Mongo's strawberry farmers database by default. Okay, let's create a strawberry mutation. Contains endpoints which mutate the state of the server. Some examples include endpoints which passes data to the server to be saved in a database. Okay, yep. Sample farmer, create farmer, create farmer. So this gives back a mutation response, I guess. Let's create one. Let's call it strawberry types. How about? Okay, pydantic types. Much better. Let's call this a mutation response. Mutation response. Create farmer. Mutation response. This model successful. Yep. Just this will do, and we will create a. We also register this. Create farmer mutation response. Okay, now we have the strawberry types. Let's call this strawberry output types, I guess. Okay, there we are. Now let's create a strawberry Now we will need a Mongo layer. Let's call this the Mongo service. Let's call this a strawberry farmer service. Create farmer. This gives us a strawberry farmer, right? And this gives us a boolean for whether if it is creates a farmer in the database, a bool and input farmer, and returns a boolean indicating if the insert was successful. Okay, who responded? Yeah, I should have added MyPy as well actually. MyPy would made it MyPy as a type check would be much better. And it will let us avoid mistakes. So, collection self.database database equals to client database. I guess I can do this. Self.database collection name. Okay, yeah. There we go. And now we can create a farmer by doing self.collection insert one farmer dictionary. Cool. So this gives back insert one result. Insert one result. Okay, success is it? Return acknowledged. Yep, there we go. And we would also want to fetch a farmer. I want to fetch a farmer by name. Find farmer, self name, optional offer, strawberry farmer, yeah, you can return a list, right? Alias equals to ID. Okay, so this will be return cursor. call this insert result. Okay, this can fail, no? Okay, yeah, this can fail. Insert success bool equals to, so unacknowledged if this, else none. ID string success as none. There we go. Okay, now we have this. Set result is Mongo DAO. Okay, so now we have the farmer service. We want to test this out, right? So let's let's create the ID too. Do we really need this model anymore? I guess not. How about just use the create farmer mutation response to handle that, man? Yeah, sounds good. And this way it would have simplified this too. So let's remove this insert result. Never mind, let's just leave it be. Possible that we might not want to return that, right? So it's good to decouple it. So let's just do let's create a resolve layer, I guess. Yeah, let's call this the resolvers. Resolvers apply resolve create farmer. This gives back create farmer mutation response. How about that? Nice. A mutation resolver which creates a farmer in Mongo. So let's create a Mongo service. Let's initialize this. Strawberry farmer DAO. Strawberry service. Strawberry farmer Leo. Let's do this. Farmer response. Okay, farmer is DAO. This would be Mongo client. Client has a host, so it's equals to. It would be very wasteful if we Mongo services by. How about that? Okay, even better. Let's just pass in the URL. How about that? So we will just use Mongo URL and pass it in here. And database name, farmers and collections are strawberry farmers. There we go. And this way we can just use it here. Create farmer. Okay, now we have to take in the farmer. Now we need an input type. Let's call this an output strawberry farmer. Okay, so let's go under the strawberry mutations type. Okay, we need an input farmer, and the Mongo services, the strawberry farmers here would need an input farmer type. There we go. Okay, now that we have this type here, now we create a farmer. Input strawberry farmer. Okay, supported this. Insert result. Okay. Mutation response from insert result. Okay, so response equals to response equals to there we go. Okay, now we have to create a strawberry type for this farmer. Okay, let's create one strawberry input type. Okay, let's create this GraphQL strawberry type. Strawberry farmer, put this, and the trick here is we need to specify is input equals to true to specify pass in okay, there we are, and now we can use this one here. So info farmer, there we are. Okay, turn the farmer, so create farmer response. So create farmer mutation pydantic mutation response, create farmer mutation response equals to this. And one thing we forgot to do is to convert this into a input strawberry farmer from to pydantic. So farmer to pydantic. Use the to pydantic method on the strawberry Okay, so now we have this. So graph strawberry mutation response GraphQL this equals to pydantic from pydantic, pass in this. So same thing here, strawberry type from pydantic. mutation response like this. Okay, so now we have the create farmer. Now we also need we also need a couple of queries too, so let's field get farmers name. Let's create an input model. Input strawberry filter base model, return a name, optional string, name string. Strawberry ID filter base model ID string. Okay, so we have two models now. Let's create one for each of them. So now we have input strawberry name filter, and we have input strawberry ID filter. Okay, there we go. Now we have the models. Let's go to the service here. Okay, let's go. So strawberry. Okay, let's go to the queries. Get farmers by name. Okay, input filter strawberry, input strawberry name filter. Input farmer input farmer name filter. Okay, let's go to the input types, GraphQL input farmer name filter. Okay, so we have created the data models for the input. Let's create the let's create the queries to get the farmers by name. So returns a list of farmers, sharing the input name. So we'll probably have to create a resolver for that too. Def resolve find farmers by name. Okay, let's find farmers. There we go. And we'll also have a resolve find farmer by ID. Okay, list of output farmers. And of course, this will be an optional. And this should give us back a farmer. Okay, nice, that's great. So now we have the resolve methods. Let's go to our query here. And okay, so farmer name goes to input filter name, list of farmers equals to, so find farmers by name, and we'll pass in the farmer name. And now that we have a list of output strawberry farmers, now we have to define the output type for this as well. Okay, where is the output type? There it is. Put strawberry farmer, a list of output strawberry farmers, I guess. Okay, let's return the farmers. There we go. Okay, strawberry field, get farmers by ID for input filter this list of sorry, this is optional of GraphQL strawberry farmer, and this would be farmer ID filter, sorry, sharing the input ID. Searches for a single sharing the input ID, so this is the name. Filter ID. This should be the strawberry GraphQL. Yeah, we were supposed to take in the GraphQL layer. So let's call this the input farmer filter to Pydantic, and we'll do it here as well. Okay, so input farmer filter to Pydantic is ID must by ID. Interesting that I can't import this thing. Okay, there it is. Okay, farmer ID. Yes, this is supposed to be an optional. Pydantic input filter. Pydantic input filter. Okay, now we have the farmer. Now let's create the Pydantic farmer. Let's call this the strawberry farmer. Optional. If Pydantic farmer, else none. Okay, return the strawberry farmer. And this is the Pydantic farmers as well. And this should be equals to Pydantic. Turn the Pydantic strawberry farmers here. Okay, we have the query fields now. Probably need to re-import them again because some imports are broken. Oh my goodness. Okay, output strawberry farmer, sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, it would be much easier if we had MyPy would have detected these errors here. Okay. Okay, let's add all of them in. And let's source control this shit. This is not ideal. I wouldn't recommend. I would recommend atomic commits, but just so lazy now. Okay. This imports from Mongo layer, so I should fix this. It's okay. Let's just add queries and mutations for creating and finding strawberry farmers from Mongo. Streaming.py. Okay, farmer row is not a strawberry enum. So have we done that? Yes, we do. Just that we have to register it here again, I think. There we go. Okay, one validation error, ID missing. Okay. I think I would just remove that. Yes, actually we also have to add mutations here. Yeah, let's delete this sample farmer stuff. Let's just do this one. Okay, let's test it out. Wow, why is it still giving issues? Okay, oh. Okay, pictures, query sample farmer. Okay, now we have to update more. So let's query inserting a farmer, strawberry farmer. Okay, let's try inserting a strawberry farmer. Okay, get sample farmer. Okay, mutation. Create farmer. Mutation create farmer. Okay, we have an input here. It's a GraphQL strawberry input farmer. GraphQL strawberry input farmer. Okay, let's refresh this. Go to mutations and let's create the input here. Age 25, name Geminator. Okay, row is quality manager. There we go. Okay, farmer equals to input, and we'll return the ID and success. Okay, so this would be calling a query farmer by name. Okay, for Let's go. Let's create a farmer by name. Find farmer by, actually let's just get the okay, fine. Find farmers by name. Query find farmers by name. Okay, GraphQL input farmer. I have a feeling I will get roasted for having such a long name. Just so I'm just don't want to do this too much. I mean, I don't want to spend too much time on this anymore. ID name, age, row. Yep. Okay. Of course, the input filter would take in a name, Geminator. There we are. Well, looks good. Unknown argument farmer on few. Input filter of type. Oh, input filter. There we go. Cannot return now for non-nullable field GraphQL ID. GraphQL strawberry farmer. Ah, I see. This must be an optional, my good sir. Because it's possible to get an optional here. So what the field equals to alias true. Yep. Wait a minute. This should not be optional. If you have some, okay, result can also return an ID. So why is it that this would cause an issue? Which specific model is causing issues? Get farmers by name. Okay, let's check Mongo. Use, what's this? Strawberry farmers. Show collections. Yeah, with one there. Yeah, looks great. Okay. Geminator. Yeah, why would you return empty though? Yeah, looks like we're searching by name actually. Looks fine. Oh my goodness. Why? Why would this fail, my good sir? Get farmers by name ID. Okay. Where exactly is the ID validation failing for the input model? Okay. Oh, field get farmers by argument on filter is required, but it was not provided. was it? It's input filter. Get farmers by name, and we have a name there. Input filter takes that in. Yes, probably not the name there. Probably something else. Find farmers. Output. Find one. Ah, of course. This returns back. Oh, wrong type, bro. This is a dictionary of. It's a dictionary of hashable. What's this? Optional of document type. Mapping string to any. String to any. And raw dictionary. Farmer equals to optional output strawberry farmer. No. We can do parse object. On raw farmer, if raw farmer, else none. We return farmer here. Nice. Now let's try spinning this up again. And we are still having the same issue. Terminator. Cannot return now for non-nullable field GraphQL strawberry farmer. GraphQL strawberry farmer. Ah, there you are. And it looks like it's an output type, so there we are. Okay, fine, let's just turn on the debugger to investigate this. Okay. Okay, there we are. So Pydantic farmers is okay. Pydantic farmer has an ID of this. Oh yes, we did manage to get the Pydantic farmers. So we do have a list of this. So GraphQL strawberry farmers from Pydantic farmer for Pydantic farmer in Pydantic farmers. ID. Okay. And GraphQL strawberry farmers. Is that it? Is that why? Is it because this is no, we have all the fields though. Why would this fail? Yeah, whoa, wait, what? GraphQL strawberry farmer ID equals to none, name is equals to none, row is equals to none, but all the rows are here. So why would this fail? Why would the passing from the Pydantic farmers to the strawberry farmers fail? The ID, the name, is it because of this? Of course, no wonder. I forgot to cast each of these cursors into dictionary. So raw farmer cursor. Okay, so this is strawberry farmers. List of output strawberry farmers equals to pass object for farmer in raw. It's this, and yep, that's why we need pydantic. Sorry, that's why we need pydantic and mypy. MyPy would have caught all these errors if only I had set it up earlier. Spin it up again. Query it. One validation error. Close. We are very close. Okay, let's spin up the debugger again. And this time, let's see where we get the error. Germinator. One validation for output strawberry farmer. Yep, it's failing somewhere here. And find farmers. Pass object raw. Okay. Raw farmer. What's this alias here? So let's go to pydantics ID field types. Let's go to, there's something wrong with the field. Alias. Pydantic field alias. Okay. Let's try using ChatGPT for a few examples. How do we use pydantics field alias? Okay. Yeah, so we provided the underscore alias correctly, so it should be able to pass this, right? So let's just quickly validate this by creating a simple JSON dictionary string to any equals to okay, so let's do ID tree name John H30 measure, and let's pass this farmer parse object JSON print farmer. See if we're able to do this. Yeah, everything looks fine. Everything looks fine though. Okay, Mongo JSON. So where is the Okay, let's try it again and let's see if we can find the error again. Okay, let's go to main.py. Let's debug this thing again. Run this again. It's probably somewhere here. So let's go to the DAO, strawberry DAO, farmers. One validation to output errors, ID shrink. Oh, I know why. It's because of the ID. It's because of this thing here. It should be an object ID. Yep. This will fix it. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, it's coming up because I guess the object ID is not allowed as a type. Just one way to go about this, we'll create a validator for ID. Convert object ID to string ID. Yeah, let's just do that. So if is instance of v object ID, then we just cast it to a string, else return v. And we will import this as a Pydantic validator, and let's try. Mongo gives us an object ID. We want a string. Cast it to a string here. Okay, so let's try again. Debug again. Run again. Okay, still one validation error. Wow, okay. Let's test this out. Sorry. Okay. Yes, we are importing this. Now let's run this. Yes, this still gives us an object validation error. So how do we example of a pydantic validator for an aliased field. Is it possible for the validator to take in an object ID and cast it to a string? Yes, it should be possible, but I just need an example. Okay, which is exactly the okay, guess I should, but it's cast, not that it fixes anything, but let's it should work here, but the validation error is still here. So how do we fix this? Okay, let's see. Is there a way to do this? There must be. According to this one, according to this documentation, we are able to pass in. I shouldn't be passing in two or more fields here because there's only one field to validate. But oh, pre equals to true. We want this to be processed before it checks it, right? Okay, now this should work. Now let's go here and run this. There we go. I forgot about the pre here. So now that we have this, let's run it again. Run this, and there we go. We finally fixed it. So let's go to the README here. Query farmer. Calling query farmer my name. Geminator, quality manager, farmer by name. Okay, now for the final query, querying farm by ID. Okay, let's create one here as well. ID. Input farmer name ID filter. ID is close to this ID here, and we will see if we can get it. There we are, we got it. Okay, so let's take one screenshot here as well and add it to the query. Okay. Okay, very nice. Set this in. Okay, so we fixed the readme, and now we have this here, farmer by ID, farmers by name. Yep, there we are. We are done. Let's add samples for add queries for fix validation error and update readme with more sample queries. There's still a couple of things that we can do. The next thing is adding a validation layer. Sorry, indexing layer. So we will index the repository with indexes that we need. So let's also create an index. Create index takes in a list, I guess. No, it shouldn't be unique, as well as ID. We don't need this to be unique, so just this will do. There we are. We created one index for supporting search by ID and supporting search by name. And we would add this ensure indexes method to here. So let's add index stage to sure okay. Pi. There we are, and now let's check strawberry farmers.get indexes. There we are. After much help from James, we are done with the boilerplate here and contacted Patrick, the founder of Strawberry, and we created a boilerplate that uses Strawberry, Pydantic, MyPy, PyMongo. And this is a simple boilerplate where we have Strawberry mutations and layers, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's crazy how we had to rush this out in 2 hours, but I'm pretty proud of this bad boy. So thank you so much if you're watching this, and please check this boilerplate out. Well, I'll be posting this in YouTube, and you can check out this boilerplate. So with that, that's it for this open source sprint. I'm glad that Patrick at least Patrick seems to like it, so pretty good stuff. So that's it for tonight. It's 1:16 a.m. really late, but that's it for today, and I'll see you soon.